opening new doors and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity leads us down new paths. When Walt Disney said this, he had no idea of the technological advancements we could make through our curiosity, and he had no idea what kind of technology I'm going to show you today. So I'm here from Voxel Jet. I'm Emily Moore, and I've been representing this company since they opened in 1999. They're based out of Germany, and they've been 3D printing since the beginning. So the new exciting product we're going to show you today is the Voxel 8 3D printer. And what's cool about this is that it's the first electronics 3D printer that the world has ever seen. So like traditional 3D printers, it prints layer by layer materials that you input into it, and it produces the design that you input. But the cool thing about this is that it prints also conductive materials as well as the original plastic materials. So what you can do with it is you input the design. It's very interactive. It comes with a touchscreen interface that's very easy to use, very easy to learn, and it layers the plastics that you input as well as the conductive materials so that they work together. You don't have to figure out how to engineer the two parts together. The 3D wiring and the plastics, they automatically work together and they don't fall apart. So like this little copter here, this was made entirely out of a 3D printer. It is smart enough to know when it needs to pause so that you can insert any sort of circuit boards, any lights, or propellers. So you may have been intrigued by 3D printers in the past, and with good reason. They're really cool. So the HP printer is on the lower end of the spectrum price-wise. It's relatively more affordable, and this prints primarily plastics, and it's used for hobbyists and for prototypes for companies. They can make smaller models. But the thing is, they have to scan a physical model before you can add on to it with the computer, and then it will add on to the original product. And then on the other end of the spectrum, according to the Envision Tech website, they are making huge strides in bioprinting, printing tissues and eventually organs, which is amazing, don't get me wrong, but that's not what you need. What you need is something that is going to put your company ahead in terms of design and production for your small electronics company. So if that's not cool enough, what you're going to get today for free is shipping worldwide, especially for you international folks. You're going to get free shipping, and you're going to get it first. You're also going to get extra filament spools that the other guys are not going to get. You're going to get extra cartridges, including our special Voxel 8 silver conductive material. And you're going to get an additional printing bed, and both of those printing beds are removable. You can clean them, switch them out. It also comes with nozzles that you can switch out that are going to make different patterns, and you're going to get early access to any new materials that we come out with. You're going to be notified before anybody else, and you can sign up and get them before anybody else. So the cool thing is that nobody has this technology yet. Technically, not even us, because this is coming out in March of 2016. So today, when you order this, it's a pre-order. And so you're going to get all of the 3D printing, all the materials, all the supplies, immediately in March of 2016. So anyone else that doesn't order today, they're not going to get it right away. They're going to get it way after you. And this is really important because the efficiency of this product is going to boost you above any other specialty engineering